My name is Misha Nikolic, and we are here today with Karim Habib, head of BMW Design at the 2013 Detroit North America International Auto Show. Karim, thank you for taking the time to speak with us. Welcome to the show.
The 4 Series concept coupe that we're showing is our next sort of endeavor into the coupe territory in this market segment. And if you will, the important things with respect to the 3 Series or to the 3 Series coupe of today is that the actual car is lower, wider, longer, has wider tracks than a 3 Series coupe today and the 3 Series F30 that's on the road today as well. So all in all, I think the package gives you a sportier, more dynamic, more elegant, and more luxurious with more presence, a car with more presence. So all in all, I think a much better package.
Certainly. And you talk about presence, and when we see the car here live, it does have a very dynamic presence that will even be more accentuated on the road in its natural element. Can we take a look at the car? And I noticed some new design features for the first time for BMW, such as the closed kidney grills.
Yes.
And some of the aerodynamic work with the mirrors and the side grills. Can you talk about these pieces of the car, please?
Sure. You pointed to exactly some of the stuff we want to show in a show car that has to do with efficient dynamics. That's very important to us, obviously, and we as designers want to use that company philosophy as an opportunity, as a chance to do stuff, whether it's in details or in proportions, that maybe could be new solutions design-wise. And the kidneys are closed, but if you notice as well, we've played with the materials. You have a sort of a lighter aluminum-like material and a darker anthracite color. And you also see the aluminum finish not only in the frontal surface but also on the side. So yes, it's closed, but it also offers a little bit more surprises when you go around the car, so you can see the depth of it and the materials that change when you go around the car.
Certainly. Are there any highlights we see on this Concept 4 Series coupe that will influence BMW design language in the future?
Well, I think like we talked about, the kidneys, how we treat sort of the detail quality in the kidneys is something you could see maybe in the future. Not exactly in this form, but it's a way for us to show how we do see details at BMW. The mirrors, we talked about the mirrors a little bit. Yes, it's something we do for the show car. We try to illustrate detail work a bit more amplified, let's say, in a show car. But we're also thinking of how to design a mirror that's as lean as possible. Also the aerodynamic features that a mirror can bring. A mirror is actually very challenging aerodynamically. And with the Aero Blade, we try to show that you can use a mirror not only design-wise to make something special, but also in terms of acoustic and in terms of aerodynamic efficiency. It also brings quite a lot. Another maybe thing you see is in the front as well. The air curtains that we already have on the market, and we also have here an air breather, which is the first time as well.
Can we walk this way?
Sure. Yeah. I will close this one. The air breather, as I was mentioning, so at the air curtain, as you know, the air flows from inside and goes out right in front of here, and then creates literally a curtain of air so that it minimizes turbulence. Right? And here, the second thing that this thing does is that there's sometimes a lot of very high pressured air inside the wheel arch, and it's uncontrolled how it comes out. And it comes out here and also creates turbulence. With the air breather, it actually comes out along the surface of the car, so it's also much more controlled and has less turbulence.
Certainly. And this is Misha with BMW Blog, and we were with Karim, head of BMW Design. Thank you.